Imagine a world where the driest deserts bloom with life, where water flows abundantly in places once deemed barren. This isn't a scene from a futuristic novel, it's the reality brought to life by Ritesh Arya, the incredible waterman of the Himalayas. His journey through the rugged terrains of Ladakh, armed with nothing but a drill and an unyielding spirit, has redefined the boundaries of possibility. Ritesh Arya, a name synonymous with resilience and innovation, has not only discovered groundwater in the cold deserts of the Himalayas, but also holds the Guinness World Record for drilling the highest artesian bore well in the world. Ritesh Arya's story begins in the serene landscapes of Shimla, where he was born on August 20, 1968. His educational journey, rooted deeply in the sciences, started at St. Edward's Shimla and later at St. Mary's Convent School, Kasauli. Arya's initial inclination towards medicine shifted dramatically towards geology, leading him to pursue his higher education in this field at Punjab University, Chandigarh. His academic path was not just about acquiring degrees, it was a journey of discovery. During his time at the university, he delved deep into the world of fossils, a passion that started with a fascination for the works of Medlicott and the ancient fossils of Kasauli. It was here that Arya's lifelong relationship with the rocks and sediments of the Himalayas began. His exploration into the geological past was not just academic, it was a personal quest to uncover the stories hidden beneath the Earth's surface. During his university days, Arya's fascination with fossils grew exponentially. He began collecting a variety of specimens, ranging from leaves and flowers to vertebrates and mollusks. Many of these fossils were first-time discoveries from the Kasauli Himalayas, marking significant contributions to the field of paleontology. Arya's extensive research and collection culminated in his PhD, but his passion did not wane with the attainment of his degree. He continued to explore and collect, presenting his findings in significant geological seminars, including the 25th celebration of the Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology and the International Geological Correlation Program at Kyoto, Japan. His work brought to light the deep geological histories of the Himalayan region, showing evidence that the area had once been closer to the equator. This revelation not only added to the academic knowledge, but also challenged existing perceptions about the geological timeline of the Himalayas. In 1993, Arya joined the groundwater organization of the government of Himachal Pradesh. Here, he embarked on a mission that many considered impossible, finding groundwater in the barren high-altitude deserts of the Himalayas. His groundbreaking work began with the development of the concept of hydrostratigraphy, which classified the Himalayas into 7 hydrostratigraphic zones. Arya's conceptual model explained the occurrences and movements of groundwater resources across the Himalayas, a theory he presented at the 1996 International Geological Congress in Beijing, China. This model laid the foundation for his future endeavors in groundwater exploration, transforming the way water resources were managed in the region. Mission Water, the Ladakh endeavors. Ritesh Arya's most challenging projects were in Ladakh, where he was tasked by WaterAid through the office of His Holiness Dalai Lama with finding potable water for the Tibetan settlements in Choglamsar and other areas. The success of these projects was pivotal, especially when these communities were coping with the harsh conditions of their new home after fleeing Tibet. Following Chinese aggression in 1959, his efforts extended beyond humanitarian aid. Arya collaborated with the Defense Research Development Organization, or DRDO, to provide irrigation solutions in Leh and Partapur, boosting agricultural production by 50%. His work did not stop there. During the Kargil War, he played a crucial role in ensuring that the troops had access to essential water supplies, further cementing his reputation as a problem solver in extreme conditions in Siachen, the highest battlefield in the world. Record-breaking achievements. In 2003, Arya's relentless pursuit of challenges led him to set a world record. he drilled the highest artesian bore well for the Indian Army, a feat that earned him a place in the Guinness World Records. This achievement was not just a personal victory, but a testament to his innovative approach to geology and his commitment to serving his country. His record-breaking endeavors were highlighted at the World Water Week in Stockholm in 2009, where he presented his findings, demonstrating the potential of groundwater resources in high-altitude terrains. Geothermal ventures. Arya's explorations were not confined to water. In 2010, he ventured into the field of geothermal energy, identifying potential sites in the Himalayas for sustainable energy solutions. His project, Agnayodhara, or lava energy, introduced during an Indo-Norway joint venture, aimed to harness geothermal energy to address the energy needs of remote areas like Chumathang and Puga. His innovative approach was recognized at the World Future Energy Summit in Abu Dhabi, where Agnayodhara was rated among the top 10 innovations. Arya's work in geothermal energy not only promised a sustainable future for remote Himalayan communities, but also positioned him as a pioneer in renewable energy solutions. Throughout his career, Arya has been an astute observer of climate patterns in the Himalayas. After the IPCC's 2007 reports on man-made global warming, he began correlating his on-ground observations with historical climate data, leading to the development of Arya's sea cycle theory. This theory proposed that climate change is a natural cyclic process, characterized by alternating warming and cooling periods. Arya's perspective, although controversial, sparked discussions in the scientific community, challenging the prevailing narratives about climate change and its causes. In 2010, Arya found himself at the center of a natural disaster when Leh was struck by devastating floods. Having predicted the possibility of such an event earlier, Arya's first-hand experience during the floods provided him with unique insights into the causes and effects of such catastrophic events. His studies concluded that the floods were caused by a reservoir wall rupture mechanism, a finding he published in the NIDM journal Disaster and Development. This work not only added to the scientific understanding of flood mechanisms, but also highlighted the importance of preparedness and infrastructure resilience in flood-prone regions. Arya's geological investigations have also led him to study the seismic activities across the Himalayas. Through extensive fieldwork, he identified various geological formations and their implications for regional stability. His findings indicated that the Himalayas are prone to frequent seismic activities due to the tectonic forces at play, information that is crucial for disaster management and infrastructure planning in the high-altitude cold mountain deserts of Ladakh. Arya's work emphasizes the importance of geological studies in understanding and mitigating natural disasters and finding sustainable solutions to tame the Shyok and improve the overall infrastructure in Galwan sector. Recognizing the importance of geoheritage, Arya has been actively involved in promoting geotourism in the Himalayas. Through initiatives like geoheritage walks and educational programs, he aims to foster a deeper appreciation for the region's geological history among tourists and locals alike. These efforts not only enhance the socio-economic status of local communities through increased tourism, but also educate the public about the significance of preserving geological sites. One of Arya's significant contributions to geoheritage is the establishment of the Tethys Fossil Museum in Kasauli. The museum showcases an extensive collection of fossils from the Himalayas, aiming to educate visitors about the evolutionary history of the region. The museum serves as a center for conservation and study, highlighting the importance of fossils in understanding Earth's geological past. By doing so, Arya hopes to inspire future generations to continue exploring and preserving the natural wonders of the Himalayas. Arya's achievements have not gone unnoticed. He has been featured on various platforms, including the Discovery Channel, where he shared his expertise on the geological aspects of the Ram Setu. These appearances have helped raise public awareness about the critical role of geology in our daily lives and the importance of sustainable environmental practices. Beyond national borders, Arya's work has received global recognition. His innovative approaches and groundbreaking discoveries have been honored at numerous international conferences and forums. His contributions to the field have not only advanced the science of hydrogeology, but have also positioned India as a leader in geological research and water resource management. As Arya continues his work, his legacy in the field of hydrogeology is already well established. His innovative techniques and discoveries have paved the way for future explorations and developments in the field. Looking ahead, Arya remains committed to his mission of solving water scarcity issues and promoting sustainable practices. His ongoing projects and future endeavors are poised to further advance our understanding of the Earth's geological processes and contribute to global environmental sustainability.